Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a ShopMissA and ColourPop haul. Let's get started. I ordered from ShopMissA because I needed a few essentials. I needed to order some more of the AOA Studio 5-blade cartridges for the razor. I love this razor. This is my favorite razor. It is such a close shave. I've never had any razor burn, nicks, cuts, nothing with these razors. You get 4 cartridges in here. They're $4. Plus, if you make an account, you can join their rewards program. So all the items that you see today from ShopMissA was $16. Yeah. I got $10 off. Their reward program is pretty awesome. Yes, love these razors. So I already have like 2 of their handles and I have some other cartridges left over. But before I ran out, I wanted to grab another package of these. They're so good. These are also really nice. The AOA Studio Precision Eyebrow Razors. And they just look like this. These are $1.55. They work really nice. I absolutely love this item and have waited forever for this item to come back in stock. So, it is the AOA Studio Dermaplaning Face Razor. This is amazing. Absolutely love it. It was $1.55. And it is very sharp, but very effective. You do have to be careful using it. It says it seamlessly removes facial hair and peach fuzz. Absolutely does. It works amazing. Highly recommend this. That was the essential kind of items. So since we're talking about razors right now, I guess we'll show this product. This was $1.88. I've been eyeing this for a while. This is the Nourish Roll-On Brow Solution in Calming. Of course, AOA Studio brand, and you do your brows and then you roll this solution over top of it. So it's supposed to bring some kind of relief or calming feel and nourishment to your brow. I don't know how else to explain it. I really was interested in trying the brow product. I'm always a fan of their eyeshadow primers. They're usually always really good. I wanted to try, they had a new like dollar option on the site. The AOA Studio Shadow Saver Eye Primer. I got mine in the shade Light. They have 3 different shades to choose from. And this line just got Light. I'm sure it's going to work fantastic. I love their eyeshadow primers. They also had some new eyeshadows. And I love eyeshadows, so I could not help myself. And they had these really cute palettes. They're 9-pan palettes. What cute packaging. This is from AOA Studio. This was $1.88, I believe. Anyways, this is their 9-color colorful canvas eyeshadow palette in Cubism. Top pops off like that. And this is the color story that I chose. Isn't it pretty? So pretty. Palette would definitely serve really nicely in the fall time, but also looks like it might be a really beautiful springtime palette as well, because you have some blues, some greens, some pop of yellow, you have some warm tones in here. There are 3 matte shades, looks to be, in here, so that blue being one of them. Now that blue would probably make a really beautiful Marilyn Monroe look. Ooh, nice and pigmented. Beautiful color story. Can't wait to play with this. I like the packaging. Very pretty. So had to get that. Lastly, from ShopMissA, they had brand new perfumes. Now I've tried 3 different perfumes from them in the past, and I've loved them all. Absolutely did. These were new to the site, so I'll just show you what like their packaging looks like. These were $3 each, and you get a little over 2 fluid ounces of product. These are from their AOA Pro line, which is like their $3 to $5 line. And these were $3. This one is in sweet vanilla. No surprise, I absolutely love me some vanilla. So this one says vanilla bean, sweet cream, toasted marshmallow. I was like, yes, sign me up. I definitely know that I'll love this one. And I do. This one smells amazing. This one will probably be a repeat purchase in the future. This one smells awesome. If you love vanilla, you're going to love this one. Next up, I picked up Wild Sunflower, which I'm like, ooh, I really do love sunflower scents. This one is not my favorite. So, let's see. It has honeysuckle, sunflower petals, and fresh nectar. I don't know what it is, but this is unlike any other sunflower scent I've ever smelled. So this one's not my favorite. It's a bit off-putting. I'm just not crazy about it. I think I will use it up. This is not a repurchase for me. And also, you can see the vanilla one was clear. This one's kind of like a pinky tone. And the last body mist that I picked up is Cherry Vanilla. And this one is in a red bottle. And once again, compared to the others, in a red bottle. They have a bunch of scents of these. This one's got vanilla cherry, musk, and black currant. This smells so good. This reminds me of a vampire inspired perfume that I've had in the past. And I love cherry vanilla. This does smell really nice. You can smell the vanilla. You can smell that cherry scent. It's faint, but it's there. It definitely smells musky. It just smells nice. I really like this one too. And I do think these bottles are so cute. And $3. They do linger on the skin. They smell really strong. Really nice for $3. Moving on to ColourPop. I only purchased one item from ColourPop. I'm pretty excited about it, and if you've been following my channel for a while, you probably already know what the item is. And of course, I absolutely love Twilight. I do not care how old I am. I think I will always love it. My nanny, who was in her 70s, absolutely loved Twilight. Definitely a twihard. ColourPop, the Twilight Saga Eclipse eyeshadow palette. Look at the packaging. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Of course, that's the sleeve. Look at some of this cute detailing on the in the sleeve there. Look at that. Okay. Here's the palette itself. Once again, absolutely beautiful. It's got that really soft, like velvety suede feeling packaging. Yes, very nice. It's got all these quotes from the movie on there. Just like the other. So again, you can see the color story. Here's their picture inside the palette. And I will be using it very, very soon. Absolutely stunning, mostly cool toned color story. Proposal is like this white with this blue intense shimmer running throughout it. Like, it is hard for the camera to pick up on that. But look how beautiful some of these shades are. This one's a duochrome. So it's like this silvery shade, but it shifts like pink. Oh yeah, there, you can see it there. The names of these, yes please. Major Jasper, The Tint, Proposal, Hotter Than You, I'm Switzerland. Yeah. If you know, you know. I love it so very much. This color story is absolutely stunning. Some of my favorite eyeshadow palettes that I own in my collection are these ColourPop Twilight palettes, and I use them all the time. They're beautiful. You get lots of different formulas in these palettes. Totally worth the price. ColourPop's amazing. I'm so happy to have this. So that is all for today's haul. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.